Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to set up product roadmap on your WordPress site in just a few minutes. By the end, you'll have a fully functional public roadmap with voting and suggestions. Let's get started. First, let's install the plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click Plugins, then Add New. Search for Product Roadmap. Look for the one by Wbcom Designs. Click Install Now, and once it's done, click Activate. Perfect. The plugin is now active. You'll notice a new Roadmap menu item in your sidebar. After activation, the setup wizard should appear automatically. If not, just click Roadmap in your sidebar, and you'll see the option to run the wizard. Configure your product. Give it a name. This is what your roadmap will be called. You can use your company name, product name, or something like Feature Roadmap. I'll call mine My Product. Import demo content. This is optional but really helpful. It adds sample roadmap items so you can see exactly how everything looks. I recommend importing it, then deleting the demo items later. We're done. The wizard creates a roadmap page for you automatically. Click View Your Roadmap to see it in action. Let me show you what's here. At the top, you might see filter options. Each column represents a status: planned, in progress, complete, and so on. Each card is a roadmap item with a title, category, and vote count. See this Vote button? Click it to vote for a feature. The count updates immediately. Click any item to see its detail page with a full description, comments, and voting. In the General tab, you can change your product name, set labels, and configure how many items to show. Scroll down and you'll find options for voting, whether to allow guest voting, who can submit suggestions, and notification settings. The Permissions section lets you control who can vote and who can submit suggestions. Guest voting is enabled by default, which I recommend keeping. Make any changes you want, then click Save Changes. Time to add your own roadmap items. Go to Roadmap, then Add New Item. This is the item editor. Give your item a title. This is the feature name customers will see and vote on. Add a description explaining the feature. Be as detailed as you want. This helps customers understand what they're voting for. On the right, select a status, probably planned for new items. Choose a category like Feature, Enhancement, or Bug Fix. Click Publish, and your item is now live on your roadmap. Let's check the front end. And there it is, ready for votes. Just add this shortcode to any page or post. Roadmap product equals main. The roadmap appears wherever you place the shortcode. You can add parameters to customize which items show, which template to use, and more. For example, add status equals planned to only show planned items, or template equals idea box for a different layout. And that's it. You now have a fully functional public roadmap where customers can vote on features and submit their own ideas. Check the description for links to our documentation, Pro Features overview, and support. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching.